Hello everyone. This is in continuation to the topic combinations, what we were discussing, which comes under quantitative techniques subject under NEP syllabus meant for 5th semester BCA. This is part 41. Question number 7. If there are 12 persons in a party and if each two of them shake hands with each other, how many handshakes happen in the party? So for one handshake, you need two people and there are totally 12 people. So the number of handshakes will be 12 C2, choose 2, which is 12 into 11 by 2. That will give you 6 into 11, 66. So that is the solution for this question. Let us move on to the 8th question. In how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected from 6 men and 5 women, consisting of 3 men and 2 women? So, number of ways. These 3 men can be chosen out of 6 men in 6C3 ways, and 2 women can be chosen out of 5 women in 5C2 ways. So that will be equal to 6 into 5 into 4 divided by 3 into 2 multiplied by 5 into 4 by 2. If we calculate this, 20, this is 10. So you get 200 ways. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 9. How many triangles can be obtained by joining 12 points wherein 5 of which are collinear? First, we will find out without any restriction number of triangles that can be formed from 12 points. We need 3 points to have one triangle. So that means here it will be 12C3 ways or 12C3 triangles, which is 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 3 into 2 into 1. So simplifying this, we will get 220 triangles. Now the number of ways to choose 3 points out of 5 points. Number of ways to choose 3 points out of 5 points is 5C3, which is nothing but 5 minus 3, that is 5C2. That is nothing but 5 into 4 by 2, which gives you 10. So therefore, the number of valid triangles, this shows us that 10 triangles cannot be formed because these 5 points are in collinear. So number of valid triangles that can be formed is equal to 220 minus 10. So we can form 210 triangles. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 10. A box contains 5 different red and 6 different white balls. In how many ways 6 balls can be selected so that it has at least 2 balls of each color? We have red color balls and white color balls. How many available? Red color balls 5 available, white color balls 6 available. In how many ways we can choose? At least 2 balls of each color. So choice 1. at least 2. So we can have 2 red balls. In how many ways? 6 balls can be chosen. So this total should be 6. So if it is 6, then this should be 4. Choice 2. This is 3. So that means this has to be 3, 6. Then choice 3. If this is 4, then this has to be 2. Minimum 2 balls should be there. So that means these are the 3 choices possible. Now let us evaluate the number of ways. First one, we need to choose 2 out of this 5. So 5C2. And we need to choose 4 out of this 6. Or we need to choose 3 out of this 5, 5C3. And choosing 3 out of 6. Or 4 out of 5 and 2 out of 6. So 5C4 and 6C2. So this is equal to 5C2 multiplied by 6C4 is nothing but 6C2. Since R is there, you add 5C3 is nothing but 5C2 multiplied by 6C3 is nothing but 6C3 only, plus 5C4 is 5C1, 5C1 is 5 multiplied by 6C2 is 6C2. Now let us expand this. This will be 5 into 4 by 2 multiplied by 6 into 5 by 2 plus 5C2 is 5 into 4 by 2 multiplied by 6C3 is 6 into 5 into 4 by 3 into 2 plus 5 multiplied by 6C2, 6 into 5 by 2. So this goes with this goes with this goes with this 2 times, this goes with this 3 times. So if we evaluate this, we will get 30 into 5, 150. Here it is 20 into 2, 40, 40 into 5, 200. This is 15 into 5, 75. So if we add this, we will get 4 to 5 ways. That will be the solution for this.